right hand side. Now let's solve RHS. RHS is what 1 by 3 raised to 2i minus 5 into cube root of 27 raised to y minus 1 upon 10,000. Okay. Again the same logic. Bring everything to 3. So it becomes 3 raised to minus 1 raised to 2i minus 1 into this cube root becomes 1 by 3. So it becomes 3 raised to 3, right, into raised to y minus 1 upon 3. Neatly understand this, minutely understand this. 3 raised to 3 is 27 raised to y minus 1 upon 3 means this is of cube root sign, right? Upon this 10,000 means what? 10 raised to 4 upon 3. 10,000 means 10 raised to 4 and this cube root is applicable to both. So it's 1 upon 3. Okay. Next. Then 3 raised to, what does this become? Minus 1, 2 raised to y minus 1 into 3 raised to 3 into y minus 1 upon 3. This 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So what remains? 3 raised to, this minus 1 will be multiplied with 2y and minus 5. So it becomes 3 raised to minus 2y plus 5, right? And the bases are same. So we will immediately add them. Plus y plus 1. This y plus 1 as it is. 3 has gone. Okay. Upon 10 raised to what? 4 upon 3. This 4 1 by 3 means 4 upon 3. Okay. Why? A raised to x raised to a raised to b is x raised to ab. Multiplication. Okay. So RHS is what? 3 raised to minus y minus 2y plus y minus y plus 4 upon 10 raised to 4 by 3. Now this is RHS. But what is given? LHS and RHS are equal. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to equate this LHS with RHS. Let's do that. So RHS is this. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.